Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. How have to be? Welcome back dear friends my YouTube channel. I hope friends you will be fine. Finally you are settled. So friend, enjoy your life with the new and great crochet thinkings ideas. Let's come and I introduce now very great and superior ideas, very beautiful and new great superior ideas which I shared with you in this video. Hopefully friends you will begin different type of thinking criteria. Let's come dear friends and shared with you very beautiful great ideas are very beautiful crochet kettle covers in winter season. There are more authentic and it's are very most eligible resource to hot your drink sources. Friend you will be enjoy my ideas and kindly upload this video your friends your mutual friends over your social personality which you know have that about. Friends you will be enjoy these crochet ideas that are completely different to each other. These ideas are completely different to each other and you will begin different type of crochet criteria. These are very unique and fundamental design ideas that are completely different to each other. Hopefully you will begin. And these ideas are very beautiful to each other. You will be enjoy my ideas. Subscribe my channel. Like these ideas which I shared with you in this video.